Hello, Asamarova. Can we know you? May we know you?
Okay, Chimere Malusi.
Timerema Lucy. Where are you from?
I'm from Abia.
I would like you to spin for my camera. Can you spin? Turn around for my camera. Turn around. Now, outfit check. Would like to know what you're putting on. So, your earrings. Where did you get your earrings from?
Oh, my earrings. This is a gift. Yes, yes, it's a gift.
Okay, your necklace. Nko.
My necklace. I got it from Nemerem. Zerem collection. Yes, Zerem collection.
Okay, okay, that's nice. How much did your hair cost?
My hair. Uh, that should be 10K. Everything.
Thank you. Wow, nice, nice, very affordable. Your top. Where did you get it from?
My top. Okay, my sis. Praise collection.
Race collection.
Yes.
All right. Your pants, Nko.
That's if I have one on, right?
No,
Pants.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
my pants from who? Okay, it's a gift. Yes, it's a
It's a
gift
gift.
from Debbie. Yes, it's a gift.
All right. Your shoes.
My shoes always say a gift, right? That's amazing.
Ah.
From Hugo's cake.
I beg.
That's my birthday gift. Yes.
I beg. I need to know where,
My
where they
friends,
give you
right?
gifts.
Yeah, amazing.
They collect gift.
Glowing.
All right. All right. You
I
are
was
really
glowing.
beautiful.
Thank you very much.
And thank you very much for answering me.
My pleasure.
All right, you're welcome. Hey, beautiful, you look stunning.
Thank you.
Okay, your name?
My name is Mary Jane.
What?
Mary Jane. Mary Jane.
Mary Jane. All right, welcome today. Come closer. Welcome today.
Thank you very
All
much.
right, I want to do an outfit check on you. We need to know where you got your jewelry from.
I don't really have a plug. I just. But this particular one now, I think I got it from J Deluxe.
J what?
J Deluxe.
J Deluxe.
Yes.
All right.
She's there in Enugu, yeah.
All right, your outfit.
It's just a random material I got from the market. Then I have my tailor just sew it for me.
Can you spin for my camera, please? They need to see. Please spin, spin, spin. Oh my god! Oh my god! That outfit. Oh, this outfit.
Thank you.
I don't know what to say. I'm already speechless.
Don't say anything. Thank you.
So, where did you get your handbag from?
I don't know because it's been long, so I can't really tell. I don't actually buy my things from a particular brand. It's just anywhere I see something I like, I'll just go for it. Yeah.
Your footwear, Nko.
From what's that name again? Ella Slides.
Ella's what?
Ella Slides.
Lights.
Slide.
Lights. Okay, 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 okay. You're looking actually stunning. You're very beautiful. Hello, handsome.
Hello,
May we know your name?
my name is AI,
AI. That is
Anointed Igwe.
Anointed Igwe. Where are you from?
I'm from Ebonyi State.
From Ebonyi State. You're not looking bad. I'd like to know what inspired your outfit for today.
Okay, actually, I can't say something inspired it. I just shot out and just picked up things and just mixed it up. I just said Abacha Festival, so I just added some things up and just came up just eat and move out.
Okay. Outfit check.
Sorry.
Outfit check. We'd like to know where you got your shades from.
Okay, I actually bought it from a friend. She sells shades and some other stuff, so I just got it because of it helps to corrugate lighting. I'm into videography, so I'm always on the screen.
All right. Your necklace, Nko. Your necklace.
Okay, she's still the same person. I just put it on and just said, okay, let me just come out with it.
You see, friends patronizing friends.
Yeah.
Friends patronizing friends. All right. Your shirt. Where did you get it from?
Okay, it's kind of a material my mom gave me, so I gave it to someone and told him to just make something out of it. So that's what I'm wearing now.
How about your pants? Like, where did you get it?
Okay, actually I bought it in the market. I bought it actually in the market, so I don't know. I just decided to just put it on with this and then move out with my I be Puma, I'm a
All right. I must say you're not looking bad though. I would like you to do a spin for my camera. Like turn around for my camera. Okay. Okay. So what about the shoes?
Okay, that is Puma.
Puma. Where did you get it from?
After this thing, waiting even call this place.
Where?
at the spa. Yeah, spa in Enugu here. Yeah, I think that's why I got it. Yes.
All right. Thank you very much. Hey, resplendent human. How are you doing today?
I'm fine. I'm fine. Good
You're
evening.
looking so pretty.
Very much. Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Stephanie.
Stephanie, where are you from?
I'm from Anambra State.
Hey! 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 Pico, spin, spin, spin. Spin. They know they carry last. Spin. No, I need to get a full 360. Spin. No, Pico. Oh my god, you're looking so beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, outfit check. We'd like to know where you got your outfit from.
Okay.
Yeah, and your blogs. So your hair, where do you get it from?
I got it from BC Hair.
Big C hair. Yeah, in Enugu. Wow, the hair is looking very, very nice. All right. Your hoodie, Nko?
I got it
Your
from
top.
Cassie Collection. She's in Lagos.
Lagos. Your shorts, Nko?
Same person. She's in Lagos.
Okay. Your shoes?
It's a gift.
Oh my god! I'm going to come and see this gift. So. I will steal it though. Your handbag.
I bought it from what's her name again? Cheap Pepper stores in Lagos too. But I think that was last year. It's not recent.
Okay. The necklace.
I bought it from Dank. Abi? Or did I really get the name? Something heaven. I can't remember too. It's been a while.
Oh my! I must confess, you're really, 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 really beautiful. You're so fine. Please, 360 for my camera again. I cannot get enough of this beauty. Hello, handsome. How are you doing today?
I'm alright, thank you.
May we know your name?
My name is Chris Penn, Penn of the East.
Chris Penn of the East. That's nice. Where are you from?
Ngo. Ngo. The Hill.
Ungo, the hill.
Yeah.
The hill. All right. What are you doing here today?
So I'm just here to enjoy the best delicacy I've ever known in my entire life. That's Abacha. Once it's Abacha, I'm all for it, man.
Once it's Abacha.
Yeah.
Once it's Abacha. That's probably Enugu.
Yeah.
Avi, I think you've really explained what you're doing here today in English. I would want you to say same thing in your dialect. Tell us what you're doing here today in your dialect.
Abi amito ogodo. Ogodo echakere.
All right, that was funny. All right, are you here for somebody?
Yeah, novel age. Novel age. I think she's preparing Abacha today, so I'm just here to eat her Abacha.
All right, what are your expectations like
Nothing
for today's event?
Nothing short of amazing awesomeness and beauty, man. I'm here to look around and see every beautiful face in Enugu and to just have fun.
That's not a bad idea at all. All right, thank you very much, Mr. Chris Penn. It was nice having you here. Hey, gorgeous.
Hi,
What's your name?
Grace,
Grace, where are you from?
Enugu State,
Where in Enugu State?
Kano West.
Kano West. You're not looking bad. All right, so I want to do an outfit check on you.
Okay.
Would you like to tell us where you got your hair from?
Okay, my hair is from Happy Unique Hairs. She's on Instagram. You can check her out on Instagram.
Happy Unique Hairs on Instagram. Your necklace? Your necklace?
I don't remember.
You don't remember your outfit, your gown?
Okay, I got it from a store along the road, one store like that, a boutique. I can't remember the name of the boutique.
It looks really good on you, trust me. Your slides, where did you get it from?
Okay, it's actually handmade from precious souls.
Oh, it's really beautiful.
Thank you.
Your wristwatch, where did you get it from?
Maze watches on Instagram.
Wow. Your handbag?
Ama baggies.
I'm a baggies. Okay. I would like you to do a 360 for my camera. Would you? Now turn, girl. Turn. Oh my god, the high five. Girl, you're looking so beautiful. And your skin color. Trust me.
So much.
Alright. Thank you very much. Hey beautiful.
Yeah, good evening.
How are you doing today?
I'm fine.
I can see you're very happy.
Yeah.
Alright, you're looking so beautiful. I'd like to know what inspired your outfit.
Myself, I'm a fashion designer.
Wow. You look really beautiful. So you can say this is from your brand.
Toner Stitches, Etmo, 042.
Oh, for wow. Very nice. So may we know where you got your hair from?
My hair? Leave that one.
Why leave that one? Why?
Leave that one. It's been long I bought it. This is over 5 years.
All right, your earring.
My earring from what's that name? Macpel.
Macbell. All right. Your shoes.
My shoe from Obete market.
This is how we kill you. All right. Your shades. Your shades.
My shirt from Obete market.
Oh Jesus Christ.
I just have to be real.
I love it. I love it. You are being so natural. I love it. And your handbag.
From Obete. I'm not running any designer, so don't bring me out.
All right. Thank you so very much. Thank you.